Good morning all. So now we are going to see about VHDL code in digital electronics. So what is meant by HDL? It's a HDL, abbreviation of HDL is hardware description language, and what is VHDL? It is very high speed integrated circuit hardware description language. So it is HDL and VHDL. So next, what are the types of modeling in VHDL? Data flow modeling, behavioral modeling and structural modeling. We will see data flow modeling here. So here we are going to see about VHDL code for OR gate using data flow model. So for that, first of all we have to write library part. Here library part is nothing but library IEEE semicolon. The next line use IEEE dot standard underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all semicolon. It is the library part. Then we have to write entity part. So what is entity part? What we have to write in entity part? Entity OR gate is. Here OR gate is nothing but entity name. If suppose we are writing the VHDL code for AND gate using data flow modeling means there we have to use AND gate. Entity name is AND gate. Here entity name is OR gate. Then entity OR gate is then port of A comma B colon in bit. In bit is nothing but our input bit. So OR gate, in OR gate we are giving two inputs and we are getting only one output. So A and B are the two inputs and Y it is the output. So A comma B colon in bit, input bit semicolon, that is, and Y semicolon out bit, output bit. Out bit is nothing but output bit semicolon, end OR gate semicolon, end entity name. So here if suppose we are using AND gate means then we have to write end AND gate, entity name is AND gate. Here we are writing for data flow modeling for OR gate. So end entity name. What is our entity name in OR gate? OR gate. Then we have to write architecture part. Architecture, in architecture part, how we have to start with architecture part? Architecture logic gate of OR gate is, that is architecture. Architecture name of entity name is, here architecture name is logic gate because OR gate it will comes under logic gate. OR gate is entity name. So architecture name of entity name is begin Y is assigned to. We do not say Y less than or equal to. We should say Y is assigned to A or B semicolon and architecture name. What is our architecture name? Logic gate, because OR gate it will comes under logic gate, and architecture name and logic gate semicolon. That's all. Thank you.